Hi everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet the right eye of Bink the bunny, because the right eye is different than the left eye. So the black circle and the green part of eye is exactly the same as the left eye, but the white part of eye is different. So chain one with the white color of yarn, and you can hide all tails behind your work if you want, or seam them inside the eye after. It's up to you. So now you have to make one single crochet in this second stitch. So one single crochet in the second stitch. And one single crochet in next stitch. In the next stitch, one half double crochet. In next stitch, 2 double crochets. So 1 double crochet and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochets. So 3 double crochets in the same stitch. This is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Now 1 double crochet. In next stitch, 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Now 1 double crochet. In next stitch, 2 double crochets. Now in next 4 stitches, make 1 half double crochet. In next 5 stitches, make 1 single crochet. And that's all. This is how it looks like. And now just make chain 1, and that's really all. So chain 1, and then you can pull the yarn through, cut the yarn, and then pull the end of yarn through the next green stitch. Okay, and sew the eye to the head of Bing, or you can use textile glue, it's up to you, or you can use both of them. So thank you very much for watching, and I will look forward at the next part of this tutorial. Have a lovely day and see you soon.